guys, welcome to Angela's Hangout. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. Okay, so I was just getting ready to go kick back, relax, go watch a movie, and I was thinking, you know what, I kind of want a snack. And I thought instinctively, because I'm going to watch Netflix, either a movie or maybe something on the ID channel or something on Element. So instinctively, I always like to have a little snack. So I was wondering if the air fryer would make popcorn. And look at you guys, it totally makes popcorn too. Like, is there nothing that this thing can't do? Like, oh my gosh, look at, they are cooked all the way through. They are perfect. Not all of them got cooked, but anyway, that is all right, because if I wanted to, I could just put them in for a little bit longer. But you guys, so good. I never would have thought. Anyway, let's go check it out and let me show you how it works. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use my basket one. It's the Power XL. It's the 6-quart one. So while that is preheating, I'm going to let it preheat for 5 minutes. I just made this little tin here so it can hold the popcorn in there. And I have some butter. I'm using Orville's. And I'm going to go ahead and put the, put the kernels in at a even layer on the bottom of it, which was probably a mistake because, as you can see, trying to transfer into the hot pan was a little silly. So I'm going to go ahead and redo everything I just did. So I recommend skipping that first step and just putting it right in there, because it just goes in there. That's all it does. There's no oil that's involved, nothing. All you do is just pop it in there. So I'm going to turn this back on and put it to 400 degrees. And we're going to try it out for 8 minutes and just kind of keep an ear out for it and see how it sounds and see if it's sounding like it's going to be cooking. After just 2 minutes, do you hear that? Oh my goodness. Okay, so I set my timer originally for 8 minutes, and I know that air fryers vary on times and everything like that. So I thought I would check it out at the 5-minute mark, so there's 3 minutes remaining, and it looks absolutely perfect. So I'm so super excited. Did you see that one flopping around? That is so cool. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put that in a little bowl, and as you can see right now, there are some kernels that didn't get cooked all the way through, which is totally fine, because if I wanted to, I could go ahead and put that in there for a little bit longer and have some more, but I mean, I'm just going to go watch a movie, so it's just me. So while that was doing its thing, I melted some butter and put that on the top of it, and I'm going to go ahead and just kind of shake that one all about. So get those popcorn kernels and stuff like that. Not kernels. What are they called now? Cooked popcorn coated with butter, and of course I have to give it a try. And then, yep, definitely need some salt. So I'm going to put a little bit of salt on there. Now you can use whatever flavorings you like. I happen to like Lawreys. Is it Lawreys? Seasoning salt. That is my favorite on popcorn. I don't know why. Just something about it just makes it taste so, so good. So that is it. Popcorn. We made it in the air fryer. That is so super exciting. Is this not like the coolest thing ever? Like, who would have thought to just put it in? I know that you can put a bag of popcorn in your microwave, but what if you don't have a microwave when you only have an air fryer? So, hello. This is so good. Tastes delicious. And anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And please give the video a thumbs up. I would certainly appreciate that. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. You guys have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye now.